Hello everyone, welcome to our next topic. In this topic, we'll see how to link your profile to IEC, means import and export code. The object and focus area, step by step to link your profile to IEC. So first step to link your profile to IEC is logging to the DGFT portal. So you have to visit DGFT portal and log in to the portal with your valid credentials. After next step, link IEC. So proceed with link IEC process by clicking link IEC button on dashboard. When you log in your dashboard, you will see the link IEC button. Or if you are not able to see in dashboard, so from menu, my dashboard, import and export code, then click on link your profile to IEC. Once you click on the link your profile to IEC, third step, link your profile to IEC. Means first you have to open the link, then link your profile to IEC. For link profile to IEC, you have to enter 10 digits IEC number. You will get a 10 digits import and export code number, which you have to enter for link your profile to IEC. Okay. So that 10 digit of IEC code number which you want to link to your profile, which import and export code, which code you want to link to your profile, you have to enter that link and click on the link IEC button. After you done, then there will the next step, that digital signature. Once you click on the IEC button, the IEC number is validated and digital signature window will be open or pop up. Okay. After enter the digital signature, you have your success selected an option and proceed with signature is successfully done. Once your digital signature is uploaded, your IC import and export code is linked, means your profile is linked with your import and export code. Okay. And next, step 6, ensure IC code and IC credit certificate of registration. After the application of IC registration has been successfully processed, means once you submit everything, your registration is successfully processed, the DGFT will allot you import and export code and issue a registration certificate to the applicant. Means when you done everything till step 5, means successfully signing. Once your IC registration is done, then DGFT will allot you import and export code and registration certificate. They also issue a registration certificate to you, and that is a concept proof. That registration certificate is a proof that you are registered in IEC. Only receiving IC code and the registration certificate, once you receive the IC code and registration certificate, you can start your legal foreign trade export and import activities. Okay. And the exporter can check the IEC data, edit the IEC profile, and after done this, you can check your IEC data, import and export data. You can edit your profile, print the IEC certificate. Once IEC links with your profile, then you can do this things. You can download your certificate, print your certificate, you can edit your profile, you can check the data. Okay. Additionally, export and can profit for a number of programs. And initiated means exporters can take a profit number of programs which are initiated provided by the DGFT and other export promotional councils. Okay. So I hope you have understand how to step by step link to your profile to IEC. So do you have any question or you want to reach us, you can simply email us info@skillanything.com and or call in this number. Thank you so much for watching the video.